Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a full guide on how to send an audio in a broadcast on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap on your broadcast to access the messages that were sent to multiple recipients. Step 3. In the message input box, you'll see a paperclip icon. Tap on it to open the attachment options. Step 4. Among the attachment options, you'll find an audio icon. Tap on it to proceed with sending an audio. Step 5. Now, you'll be able to select the audio you want to send. Simply tap on the desired audio to choose it. Step 6. Finally, tap the play button to send the selected audio in the broadcast. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an audio in a broadcast on WhatsApp. It's a great way to share voice messages, music, or any other audio content with multiple recipients at once. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.